I'm out here in the front yard garden doing my weekly harvest of greens. A few folks have asked me to demonstrate the cut and come again harvesting that I talk about. I usually use two hands, one to kind of support the plant and the other is to gently pull on the outermost leaf. I'm going to try my best with just one hand here, but if your plant is resisting, definitely use like a knife or scissors or something to cut at the base of the stem. But you find the plant that you want to harvest from, so we'll use this big bok choy here, and you look at its stems and you find the ones that are most outermost. So I'll probably take this back one here and this front one here and then just gently pull. See, with two hands I probably wouldn't rip that bad, but there you go. There's the stem or the leaf, and then just repeat. And then I could do the same with like a totsoi like this. So just come down here, look for an outermost leaf, gently pull it off. And there you go. Alright, so I finished going through most of the bok choy plants. You can see how awesome and thick and meaty those stems are. And I just do this once a week and take the plants down to a pretty small size. You can see I took off a lot of the outermost leaves. It's going to encourage more and more new growth from the middle inside, make you be able to just keep eating from these plants for months on end instead of cutting the whole plant out at once. And yeah, this can be used with everything from spinach to kale to Swiss chard. Come on, that one doesn't want to come. And this totsoi. Let's see who wants to be picked over here. Maybe this mustard green. These Komatsuna mustards. Happy harvesting! And I'm just out here in the back doing the same with all the greens out here. The arugula and more Swiss chard. I'm just going to grab a little bit of kale to finish off. Same deal. Just pulling leaves from the outermost. And the chickens think they want some. Well, she knows she wants some, but you can't have any right now. Reach. I'll give you guys some in a minute. Okay, let me finish this. I'll probably grab a few more pieces, but there's some kale. And there's our greens for the week.